Good morning, class. In the last lecture, we have studied important formula for a trigonometry. Now we are studying relation between Cartesian and polar coordinate. In that, let measurement angle AOB is equal to theta. There given angle is a theta. Point P xy B lies on a ray PQ, means PO to P, ray OP, such that length of OP is equal to R, और रे OP है उसकी लेंथ R है, R is greater than 0. Then the position of a point P in the plane can be decided in two ways, in term of x and y, in term of r and theta. Means show in a figure, this is radius r, this is y and this is x. Row O to P, that is a row from O to P, and this is a circle, means r is here, radius r. Now a order pair PQ is called Cartesian coordinate, and the order pair P r cos theta or sin theta is called polar coordinate. Means here P xy is called as Cartesian coordinate, and pair P r theta r sin theta, cos theta and sin theta is called polar coordinate. Here r is a radius, vertex, and theta is the vectorial angle of P. R is always positive, means r greater than 0, always positive because of r greater than 0. Theta taken value from 0 degree to 360 degree in anticlockwise direction, means in this direction, anticlockwise direction, means 0 to up to 360 degree. Draw PA perpendicular on x axis. We draw PA, means P to A perpendicular on this, on x axis. P is perpendicular on x axis at A, show in a figure. Length of OA is equal to x, means length of O to A is x axis, and length of AP is equal to y. A to P is y. Now in a triangle OAP, in this triangle OAP, cos theta is equal to x divided by r, and sin theta is equal to y divided by r. We using last lecture formula, sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse and adjacent upon hypotenuse. Here 90 degree at a this one, so these are a hypotenuse, so these are hypotenuse, and angle make an O side, so this is opposite side and these are adjacent side. Sin is equal to opposite upon adjacent, so y divided by x. Sin is equal to y divided by r, and x divided by cos is equal to x divided by r, means adjacent upon hypotenuse, x divided by r. Tan means, now to solve, x square plus y square is equal to r cos theta square plus r sin theta square. So square going both sides, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Now r square common take outside, r square cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, value is 1. So r square 1 So x square plus y square is equal to r square. Now दिस हमको ये स्क्वायर निकलना होगा तो हम अंडर रूट में लेंगे, मीन आर स्क्वायर अंडर रूट, सो अंडर रूट एंड स्क्वायर गेट कैंसल, आर इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. फर्दर y divided by x is equal to r sin theta divided by r cos theta. How can that? Because y is equal to r sin theta is equal to y, so sin is equal to y upon r. In this equation we write value of y and value of x. Now r get cancelled, sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So tan theta is equal to y divided by x and theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2 prove relation between Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinate. This is r is equal to this and theta is equal to this. So equation 1 and 2, relation between Cartesian and polar coordinate. Trigonometric function of a negative angle minus theta. Trigonometric function of a negative angle means minus theta. Consider a standard unit circle r is equal to 1, intersect x axis at the point A shown in a figure. This is a circle of a radius r, means if the radius is r. Intersect with x axis. Now here theta and minus theta, these are both are radius. A is a point on x axis, this is another point is P, and here another point is Q. Q in a fourth quadrant, so x is plus and y is minus, and P point in a first coordinate, so both value are positive. X and y are here, x and y are positive. Let measurement AOP is equal to theta, means AOP, so is theta, and AOQ is minus theta. You know that. When point Q x minus y means this is the image of P xy through x axis, then definition of trigonometric ratio sin theta is equal to y divided by r, and r here radius is equal to 1, so y divided by 1 is equal to y, sin theta is equal to y. Q is the image of P. So by definition trigonometric ratio sin theta is equal to y divided by r, means opposite divided by hypotenuse, and r is given, r is equal to 1 because of radius is 1. Similarly sin minus theta is equal to minus y by r, and r is 1, minus y by 1 is equal to minus y, means y is equal to sin theta. Sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Here missing a minus sign, so you are corrected this mistake. Here take minus sin theta. Now cos theta is equal to x divided by r, adjacent upon hypotenuse, x divided by 1, we know that r is equal to 1 is equal to x, cos of theta is equal to x. Similarly cos minus theta is equal to 1 upon r. So same here is equal to x of divided by 1 because of r is equal to 1. Now cos of minus theta is equal to x, so giving cos theta. Now tan minus theta is equal to sin minus theta cos minus theta sin minus theta value is minus sin theta, cos minus theta is cos theta, so we get minus tan theta. Cot minus theta means cos minus theta sin divided by sin minus theta. We know that cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. So cos theta divided by minus sin theta is equal to minus cot theta. Sec minus theta 1 divided by cos minus theta means we know that sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So we also write sec minus theta is equal to 1 upon cos minus theta is equal to, now cos minus theta means cos plus theta. So cos 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. And another cosec minus theta is equal to 1 upon cosec minus theta means minus sin theta. So 1 upon minus sin theta, and 1 upon sin means cosec of theta means minus cosec of theta. Now to prove these values, to prove that, हमने ये फॉर्मूले कल देखे थे लास्ट लेक्चर में, सो अभी हम इसको प्रूफ करेंगे. हाउ टू प्रूव? कंसिडर मेजरमेंट AOB is equal to theta in a standard positive angle, positive, and take any point P XY terminal arm OB such that length OP is equal to R. R is greater than 0. Here angle is AOP and radius is greater than 0. Now triangle AOP, these are triangle. Cos theta is equal to x divided by r. X divided by r adjacent upon hypotenuse, and sin theta opposite upon hypotenuse, tan opposite upon adjacent. So here, and now adjacent upon hypotenuse for cot and sec are hypotenuse upon x. X means adjacent, and cosec hypotenuse divided by opposite side. By distance formula, length of OP is equal to R, means length of O to P, they are a radius, is equal to R under root, we know that under root x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square is equal to x square plus y square. Now under root, so that side going square, R square is equal to x square plus y square. So equation number 1. This equation we divided by r square on both sides, dividing by r square on both sides, equation number 1. Here divide r square and r square. X square divided by r square plus y square divided by r square is equal to r square divided by r square. So value is 1. Now we take a whole square because of both are square. So we take whole square. A divided by b whole square is equal to a divided by m and b divided by m. We using this rule. Now we can write in this way. Cos theta square plus sin theta square. We know that x and r is a hypotenuse and x is a adjacent. So cos of theta, r is a hypotenuse and y is the opposite side. We write sin theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. First equation we can prove it. Hence prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now to prove 2. Second one, that is cos theta not equal to 0, then x divided by r not equal to 0, x not equal to 0, also x square not equal to 0. Now dividing by x square on both side, equation 1. Now we dividing x square on both side, x square and x square. Now this value is 1, so we also write above formula. We can use this in this equation. Y divided by x whole square is equal to r divided by x whole square. 1. Now y is the opposite side and x is the hypotenuse, so tan theta, and here r is the hypotenuse and x is the adjacent side, so sec theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So hence prove equation 2 means question number 2, hence prove it. Now we want to prove 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now to prove third one, sin theta not equal to 0, then opposite upon hypotenuse not equal to 0, so y not equal to 0, also y square not equal to 0. Now dividing by y square on both sides, equation number 1, here y square divide here also and here, then this value is 1. Now we again apply this rule, so we take x divided by y whole square plus 1 is equal to r divided by y whole square, that is cot theta means adjacent divided by opposite, we giving cot, and hypotenuse divided by opposite, we giving cosec theta. So now cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square plus theta, hence prove. हमने तीनों के फॉर्मूले प्रूफ किए हैं, हेंस प्रूव. ये भी एग्जाम पूछ सकते हैं. If sin theta is equal to 15 divided by 17, where theta lies in a second quadrant, find the value of tan theta. Means here second quadrant में, second quadrant means कौन सा, this is the first one and that is the second one. So this is the second. इसमें sin theta always पॉजिटिव रहेंगे, बाकी सब निगेटिव. लास्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ा, इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट sin theta is positive and another are negative. Now to find the value of tan theta. Sin theta is equal to 15 divided by 17. We using first one कि sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now this sin square theta here plus 2 cos theta, then goes that side, take a minus. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now multiply by with under root on both sides, so under root and square get cancelled, plus minus under root 1 minus sin square theta. हमको मालूम है जब हम अंडर रूट से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो प्लस माइनस दोनों होता है. प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, साइन की वैल्यू क्या है 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 17 होल स्क्वायर. नाउ 17 स्क्वायर 289, 17 का स्क्वायर 289, so 17 square multiplied by 1 minus 15 square, so 289 minus 225 divided by 289. 289 divided 289 minus 225 goes giving 64 divided by 289. So 8 raised to 2 is equal to 64 and 17 raised to 2 means 289. So under root get cancelled. 8 divided by 17 plus minus 8 divided by 17. But theta lies in a second quadrant. हमको दिया है कि theta is a second quadrant. So sin is positive and another angle is negative. So we taken cos is a negative. So cos theta is equal to minus 8 divided by 17. Then tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So 15 divided by 17 and 18 divided by 17. So 17 get cancelled, 15 divided by 8, but here minus sign, so minus 15 divided by 8. So tan theta is equal to minus 15 divided by 8. This is the value of tan theta. Now prove that sin A minus cosec A multiplied by cosec A cos A minus sec A tan A plus cot A is equal to 1. मीन इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज इक्वल टू 1 हमको प्रूव करना है. नाउ टू प्रूव दैट दिस इज इक्वल टू 1, consider LHS, means this one is LHS. We take here sin A minus cosec A, cos A minus sec A, tan A plus cot A. Now we know that cosec means 1 upon sin A and sec A means 1 upon cos A, and we know that tan theta means sin theta divided by cos theta and cot means cos theta divided by sin theta. So we can write this formula on this equation. Now sin multiplied by sin minus 1, so sin square minus 1 sin square, and cos multiplied by cos minus 1, so cos square A minus 1. Now here we want base are same, so first equation we multiply by sin A and this equation multiply by cos A. So we giving sin square A plus cos square A and base are same, cos A multiply by sin A, means we take here LCM. हमने ये फॉर्मूला को हम LCM भी कहते हैं. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos theta. We applying this formula, this equation, minus cos square A minus sin square A, and as it is sin A cos A 1 upon sin A cos A. So now here minus multiply by minus plus cos square A sin square A cos square A multiply by sin square A. So cos multiply by cos, sin multiply by sin, and here as it is sin square and cos square. Now we know that sin square, here both cancel it, so value is 1, that is RHS. Now hence prove. Second, prove that cosec A divided by cot A plus tan A is equal to cos A. Now prove that this is equal to this. Take LHS, cosec A divided by cot A plus tan A. Put cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. That is a formula. These are the three formula. Cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. Cot A is equal to cos divided by sin A. Tan A is equal to sin A divided by cos of A. Now put these three value in this equation to get LHS is equal to 1 upon sin A divided by cos A divided by sin A plus sin A divided by cos A. Now again we multiply this equation cos A and this equation sin A. So in this those both base are same, so now we take an addition. So cos square A plus sin square A sin A multiplied by cos A, taking LCM, means LCM. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, we take 1. Now in this equation these are divided by these. Now we want to multiply it, so हम इसको उल्टा लिखेंगे, means 1 upon sin A multiplied by sin A dot cos A divided by 1. So here sin get cancelled, only cos A. So cos A is equal to RHS. Hence prove, हमने ये प्रूव कर दिया. cos A फाइंड करने का था ना. No, hence cos of A, hence prove. Now prove that 1 upon 1 minus cos A plus 1 upon 1 plus cos of A is equal to 2 cosec square A. Now to prove that this one, now again take LCM is equal to 1 upon 1 minus cos A plus 1 upon 1 plus cos A. So now again multiply by this one 1 plus cos of A and this one 1 minus cos of A. Now take addition. So this is addition and this is multiplication. These are plus and minus, they both are cancel it, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now we using this formula, using this equation, 1 square minus cos square A, because A minus A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We are using this, so sin square A. We know that 1 upon sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So we are using this by this, so 2 cos square A RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence prove. Now to prove that under root 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos of A is equal to cosec A minus cot of A. Now again take LHS under root 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos of A. Now here we multiplication and dividing 1 minus cos of A. 1 minus cos of A. Then here both are same, so we take square, and here plus and minus, so A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. We using this formula. We know that this is a 1 plus cos square, 1 minus cos square A means sin square A. Now under root means 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, so 1 minus cos square 1 by 2 means 2 by 2, so that is 1, and here also sin square, so 2 by 2 1 minus cos A sin A. So we take separately 1 upon sin A minus cos A divided by sin A. We know that 1 upon sin A means cosec A, and cos of A divided by cos A divided by sin A means cot A. Now hence prove. Now to prove that cos of A divided by cos of A minus 1 plus cos of A divided by cos of A plus 1 is equal to 2 sec square A. Now again we want to prove that consider LHS, means consider this term cos square A divided by cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A divided by cos square A plus 1. Now these are common, cos square A take outside, 1 divided by cos square A minus 1 plus 1 divided by cos square A plus 1. Now taking LCM means this equation multiply by cos square A plus 1 and this multiply by cos square A minus 1. So giving this, so plus and minus get cancelled, and here cos square A plus cos square B means 2 cos square A, and here we take a multiplication means here plus and minus, so A minus B multiply by A plus B means A square minus B square. So cosec square A minus 1 square means that is 1. Now here cos square multiply by this, so 2 cosec square A divided by cosec square minus 1 means that is cosec means 1 upon sin, so 2 1 upon sin square A, and cos square A minus 1 means cot, this cos square theta minus 1 means cot square theta, means cot of A. Now means 2 divided by sin square A divided by, and cot means cos square theta divided by sin square theta. Now we want to multiply, so we interchanging both sin square theta divided by cos square theta, so sin square get cancelled, 2 divided by cos square theta. And here cos square theta we can also write that 1 upon cos square cos theta is equal to sec, so 2 sec a, that is a RHS, hence prove. Here trigonometric function of allied and compound angle. In that allied angle, if the sum or a difference of a measure of two angles is either 0 or an integral multiple of 90 degree, means pi by 2, means pi divided by 2, then their angle are called allied angle. If theta is a measure of a given angle, then minus theta pi by 2 plus minus theta pi plus minus theta 3 pi by 2 plus minus theta 2 pi plus minus theta up to dot dot dot, means are its allied angle, that is the allied angle. If theta is some given angle, then n theta, n means any number, n theta divided by 2 plus minus theta, n pi divided by 2 plus minus theta are its allied angle. N is any integer, here n take any integer. Complementary angle and supplementary angle are specially case of allied angle. Complementary angle and supplementary angle are specially case of allied angle. With the help of allied angle, we will find the trigonometric value of any large measure of angle. Any large measure of angle. Just example, 3660 degree we are measuring. We can, this angle we can also write 40 multiplied by 90 degree plus 60. So 40 multiplied by 90 means 3600. This value is 3600 plus 60 means 3660. In a sine, now multiply by sine both sides. Sine 3660 is equal to sine 40 multiplied by 90 plus 60. Now these are a formula. Sine n multiplied by 360 plus theta is equal to sine theta. These are n is equal to 10 and theta is equal to 16. So sine 16. So what is the value of sine 60? That is under root 3 by 2. In the last lecture we are study all values. Sine theta is equal to, means sine 30, sine 90, sine 40, then tan 45, tan 80. We are study that is value. So here we use sine 60 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Similarly, we can use multiply by cos on both sides. Same here, 40 multiplied by 90 plus 60. So cos n multiplied by 360 plus theta. Here 360 means completely one rotation. So we n multiplied by 360 is equal to cos theta. So n is 10 and theta is 60. So cos 60. And what is the value of cos 60? 1 upon 2. We using लास्ट लेक्चर फार्मूला. सो वो फार्मूला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर सॉल्विंग सम. सो नाउ वी आर स्टॉप हियर. सो दिस ये सब फार्मूले लर्न करके रखो, बाय हार्ट करो सब फार्मूले. नाउ स्टॉप हियर.